Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to talk about errors. When you run a program, then it may happen that you may not get the desired result due to incorrect input data and hence some error arises. Generally, there are three types of errors in Java: syntax errors, logical errors, or runtime errors. Syntax errors are errors which occur due to the grammatical errors in the programming language. It may be due to the missing punctuation signs, like a missing semicolon at the end of a statement, incorrect instructions, or undefined variables. I've given an example here to show what is a syntax error. Here, you can notice that the data type of variable p is not defined in the program. Thus, the program shows a syntax error. If you define the data type of the variable, it shows no syntax error. So, after defining the data type of the variable p, the program is error free and ready to execute. Also, a semicolon is missing after this statement. This also could lead to a syntax error. Logical errors are errors which occur in the programming logic. In this case, the program is compiled successfully but does not produce the desired results. For example, in this snippet of the code, there is no grammatical error in the structure of the program. Hence, the program will compile and execute the result, but the result is not the desired result as per the requirement. Here, I had wanted to divide the sum of a and b by c, but the statement p is equal to a plus b divided by c instructs the compiler to first add a with the result of b divided by c. But I had wanted my program to execute the statement a plus b upon c. So as you can see, I get two different results. This is called a logical error. To overcome this error, the statement should be written like this. As you must have learned in primary school, the BODMAS rule. And if I enclose a plus b in parentheses or brackets, then it is solved first and then it moves on to division. Then after executing this program, we get the correct output. First we were getting 160.8, but the correct answer was 4.0. Runtime errors is a type of error that occurs at runtime when the compiler does not respond properly while executing a statement. Dividing a number by 0 or trying to find the square root of a negative number which leads to an imaginary number are examples of runtime errors. As you can see here, A is initialized to 160, B to 40, and C to 0. So, when we execute this statement, P is equal to 160 plus 40 upon 0. So, 200 upon 0. If you know any number divided by 0 gives an infinite number. Here, the value of C is 0. Therefore, the result will come to an infinite value, which is a runtime error. So, these are the types of errors in Java. Let us go through them once again. Syntax errors are the grammatical errors in the program. Logical errors are the errors in the programming logic, while runtime errors are errors which occur at the time when the compiler does not respond properly while executing a statement. So this was all for this video. Thank you and meet you in the next section where we will talk about data types.